Yippee, yippee,
Hello.
yay, 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 yay.
Hello.
What's that? It's gonna be...
We're cooking again.
Yes. Let's go lang.
I'm gonna basketball.
Yippee, yippee,
Merienda ka muna.
Ano siya?
Oh,
Yippee,
may that again. This is
yay,
chocolate.
yay, yay, yay.
Madami?
Yeah, two.
How do we get a chocolate? Over here.
Alpha Mart.
Oh! Can I have this? There's still one, mommy.
Wala ng bread. Mag-base mo na doon.
Can I want?
Yippee, yippee, yay, yay,
Sabay ka.
yay.
I'm not gonna basketball.
Yippee, yippee, yay, yay.
Hinubad ha.
The bag and we can see the chocolate.
Yan mo na. Ikaso inuubo yan eh.
That's not fully burned yet.
Mama, I found that.
That's not fully burned
Oh,
yet.
yan.
That's not even fully cooked yet. That's
Yan
just
yung sabi ko.
raw. It's raw.
Hmm.
Yippee, yippee, yay, yay.
Bakit?
Yay, yay.
Isipin ko ito.
Mommy, can you give me money?
Gusto ko na ako ng mantis.
We can buy buko.
Kaya ako ito may buko.
Ay, yippee! Sabay sumog. Yippee, yippee, yay, 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 yo. Is it melted? Yes. It's not yet. Ano? It's not yet. But one. Yippee, yippee, yay,
Why is it not
yay.
green?
Why is that not yet?
Oh,
That.
does it work?
No.
Does it work?
And that doesn't work because there's no.
Wait.
But this doesn't work also.
Basic ka, basic.
Wait. I mean that it work. I mean that it work. Sulay sunog muna. Sulay sunog. Sulay sunog. Ay, yabi, sabag sunog. Ha?
Alam ko, kinalpan din yan kayo ng umaga. Kaya ko naman ng grocery. Ano, yung paper bag na itong heart. Labahin pangit.
Okay, so very burned.
Ano ulit naman sa calorie?
Hurry up, put it in the pan. I'm doing part 3 if there's no space.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11.
Good. That's the 12 one. That's the 12 one. Let's make it 12. This is my creation. We're just gonna wait for it to...
Usog dun ka sa may harap. Dun ka ba sa may harap ba dun?
Oh, try it already.
O, dali, sabay kayo.
3, 2, 1.
I'll try this.
Me too. Wait.
Nag-melt? Wait. Hindi makita. Oh. Tingin?
I can't really fully see it.
Bite it.
Walang chocolate. Ah, meron. Dapat
Dami.
nakaspread yung chocolate, no? Or pwedeng bilhin natin yung palaman na mismo.
No.
Yung palaman na chocolate na mismo.
Nutella?
Ha? Pwede rin. Or
Go nut?